Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now tap on Apps and click on Permissions, then Permissions again. And over here pick one of the options, for example Location. Now select an app. I will go with Maps and pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to my device location. But if you want to manage all permissions that your app has, you can always tap on it, click on see all Maps permissions and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!